Hey everyone, happy September. Hope everyone having a great day. Just wanted to bring you a quick video of AMBA, the trade that we took in the trading room, and the alert went out. Actually, alert went out at 120. That's why I paused it. 120 to stop at 118, which was a low of right over here where you see yeah, 118. I personally were skipped on that trade, so you can see that didn't happen. So I did not record that trade as an official trade, but this was the alert right here. You can see it right here. That's the official alert. And I told the traders, I said, hey, I need to find a way in because that's real trading. I got skipped. So right here, it's a 2 minutes 1 2 3 pattern here on this trade. And this is a real time is happening because we do this on Zoom, so it gets recorded. So I put an order, first order at 123, and I told the traders, if you at 120, this is a great place to add, and the stop right under the 120. So that's the first order that gets triggered here, and you're gonna see and then I'll walk you through and without boring you with the trade because the trade went on all day. But I'll walk you through this trade, how that worked out, and then how I traded. So let's take a look. In the background, you have my trade station. So that's the trade station in the background. And so let's pick it up from where we left off. It's right here. So right here, the trade triggered at one, as you saw, this 123. And here are my orders for the trade. All the orders are right here. So it got triggered, and what you see here is I built that position up to 50 50 50 and up to 250 shares because I added to the position. But before I added the position, what I wanted to show you that I actually got stopped out on this trade right here. I got stopped out. I mean, that's a sell. I got stopped out at 119.87 because the stop was actually 119.87. The stop was at 120. So the trade is still in the trade because 120, 118 trigger was looking absolutely fantastic. Just because you fall once, you can't get back up. Well, I got right back up. So here comes the trade, 122, and you can see how I'm entering this trade again, 100, 150, 50, and I get skipped again on one of the 50. I got skipped. So it was, this is real little bit this was a little bit obviously spready stock, so there was a spread, but our target was 130. Now I want you guys to understand this, that this is a long-term play. I told the traders that this is could be a swing trade for many months to come, because this if anything I can share with you on this video from an informational or educational standpoint is this pattern here, that is a long-term base, is a very bullish pattern. And when you take this, and I'm gonna pull this up for you. When you do your scanning in the morning, I would recommend to have a weekly chart and a monthly chart in place. So I'm going to show you guys here on the weekly chart on AMBA. It's a beautiful trend line break, and it's triggering long targets right over here. This was the target 130. That's exactly what I told the traders. And when you look at the monthly chart, because that's how we scan in the morning when we get ready for the market, it's a monthly buy setup. So the higher the time frame, more potent the buy setup is going to, I mean, the pattern is going to be. And this is the target at 130, 168. That's where we came up with the target. So this is a trade, as you saw how it happened. So I got shooken out right here. This bar shook me out. I got right back in on this trade, but I did get shaken out. I usually don't have my stops out order because I'm watching, but in the morning I was in a couple other trades, so because it's spready, I mean, that's the best way I can put it. I actually did put my stops in. So I got stopped out, got right back in. So I ended up losing on this trade. I believe I lost $200 on this trade, or $250 in this trade, and then ended up making $2,000 on this trade. So this trade was then became an all-day hold in the way I was guiding the traders. And you can see here step by step, and maybe I can pull this up here, but I can tell you that, as I'm guiding the traders step by step, is right here. And, obviously our chat room, hey, AMBA, We're going to stop raise the stop to 121 first, and then we're going to stop raise to 122, and then take profits at 130.30 because that's where the reach profit. Now obviously I sold it. Where did I get out? I think 131, 131.87 was my sell here on this one, and it was a great trade at about 22, I think $2,250 or something, and then the high is at 131. So this and how you trail it on this one is when you have this is when you have this kind of price action, it is getting ready for late day breakout. And late day breakout, if you want to really gauge how that works, it's the 15 minutes chart, and then that's your late day breakout. And for the stops, you just start, if you start pivot trailing, so that will be the pivot. Once this gets breaking out, this becomes a significant pivot. So 124. Then once this gets taken out, this becomes a significant pivot. It's 128, and then you have obviously rally right here into 132 area. I get out right here 131.87, and you can check the timing of the trade too. I don't know where the timing is, but yeah, right here. Where is the time? I don't know, but somewhere here is the time of the trade too. Right there, time of the trade. So obviously this is California time where I'm at, and this is the market time. So it's right exactly where it's talked about. So that is wanted to bring you the trade, wanted to show you why this gap was so good and how we traded in the chat room. So if you're interested, playbooktrading.com, and let us know if you're interested to join the team.